Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to set pattern lock, how to use pattern lock setting in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile pattern lock setting, so how to use pattern lock one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about pattern lock full setting. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Once in your iqoo mobile, scroll it, and friends, click your iqoo mobile phone security setting. After phone security setting, friends, you can see device security screen lock. So friends, click here screen lock. After screen lock, friends, you can see pattern, pin and password setting. So friends, click here pattern lock, and friends, set pattern for lock screen. So friends, I will use this pattern, and friends, if you use 3 dot, you cannot set pattern lock, cannot at least 4 dots, try again. So guys, your pattern should 4 dots. So guys, I will use 4 dots pattern. Next, again guys, do same pattern, confirm, done, come back. Friends, lock your screen. Friends, you want to unlock your iqoo mobile, draw your pattern and you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, we can set pattern lock on lock screen and we can use it. And friends, you want to change your lock screen pattern, so friends, you can change pattern lock also. Open your phone setting again. After phone setting, friends, again open your iqoo mobile phone security setting, screen lock setting, draw your device pattern, to continue, draw your device pattern, continue, and friends, again click here pattern lock and draw new pattern. Friends, I will use this pattern for lock screen. After change pattern, friends, again lock your screen, and friends, you want to unlock your iqoo mobile. So friends, you cannot unlock your iqoo mobile with old pattern guys, wrong pattern. Draw your new pattern, you can unlock your iqoo mobile. So like that friends, we can use pattern lock full setting. We can set pattern lock on lock screen in iqoo mobile and we can change pattern. And friends, you don't want to use pattern lock, you want to remove pattern, so open your phone setting and you can remove pattern lock. Click here screen lock setting, draw your device pattern, swipe, and pattern lock remove. After remove pattern lock, friends, you cannot use pattern lock in your iqoo mobile. You can swipe, you can unlock your phone without pattern. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.